This is a Dell Latitude E6420 XFR Wi-Fi card replacement. Go ahead and start by removing the battery if you've not done so already, and then remove all the screws on the bottom plate, holding the bottom plate in place. Once you have all the screws removed, go ahead and remove the bottom plate. It may help to use a flathead to get under one of the corners and lift it up slowly. Once the plate's over, go ahead and disconnect the cable in the way. Disconnect the antenna wires going to the Wi-Fi card. Unscrew the Wi-Fi card and lift up the Wi-Fi card. Put your replacement Wi-Fi card in. Make sure the antenna wires are out of the way. Go ahead and screw back in your Wi-Fi card. And reconnect your antenna wires. Go ahead and reconnect your last wire as well. Put your bottom plate back on and then put all your screws back in. Once all your screws are back in, you're all done with your repair. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any comments, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788, or you can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com. If you have any questions, just let us know.